Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the wax. Heat sugar, lemon, and water together. Stir continuously so crystals don't form, because smooth texture matters for adhesion. Once the mixture reaches the softball stage, remove from heat and let it cool until warm, not hot. This prevents burns and ensures spreadability. Make sure to skim any foam. Clean surface equals smoother wax. Transfer to a heat-proof jar so it's ready for application, and while it cools, prepare the skin with light cleansing and gentle exfoliation. You now move into application. Scoop a small amount and spread a thin, even strip along hair growth to encapsulate fibers. Press a cotton or muslin strip firmly. Rub in the opposite direction twice to bond the wax to the strip, because strong adhesion reduces breakage. Make sure to support the skin with your free hand, keeping it taut. Once the wax sets for a moment, pull the strip back in one fast, low-angle motion parallel to the skin. This minimizes discomfort and removes hair cleanly. You finish by cleaning any sticky residue with a light oil and soothe the area with aloe or a calming lotion to reduce redness. If you notice wax crumbling during removal, that means it cooled too much. Reheat gently until flexible. Conversely, if it's too runny, let it cool to a tacky stage before trying again. One key troubleshooting tip: if irritation or persistent blistering appears, stop immediately and consult a professional, because ongoing damage requires care. Make sure to avoid sun or hot baths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.